Big Bennett TV.
What's up, guys? Today we're back at it with the RSX. Today we're taking this off. This wiper. Pretty much what's wrong with it is look. It's not working. It's loose. And we got some goodies that we're gonna use to plug it with. Now I picked this up. This is literally the kit that I picked up on Amazon. It comes just like this, no instructions, just strictly the plugs and gaskets. And what we're gonna do today, take this arm off, put this there, and it's gonna get rid of this, having this whole arm that's, there's no rubber on this, it's 90% useless. So we're gonna get that, we're gonna jump right into it. Now this is good for, this is for the Acura RSX. It's going to be good for other models, like if you want to do this on your Volkswagen or Chevy. Anything that's got a rear wiper, you can do it to. And also I wanted to show you guys this. I also got some stickers. I'm almost sold out. I'm just going to do a little flexi flex. But yeah, I got these stickers. They're almost sold out. And if you guys still want some while I still got some, $5, shipped anywheres. All proceeds go to a good cause, supporting the channel, getting more stuff for to build, stuff like that, and you'll have a nice sticker to stick on your dash. So whatever, if you want one, comment down below, or also maybe even message me on my Instagram, Big Bennett TV on Instagram. Let's get into it. So pretty much, what we gotta do here, well, this stuff just fell right off. What we gotta do here is take off this plastic so we can gain access to the motor. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off some of this plastic. Now, I mean, most of the plastic on this is just clips. So if you wanna take a look at it, it's just clips right here, here. They're all plastic. They all go in there. And then you have to take off all of them to get to the main one. I mean, it kind of looks like somebody had these off before. I'm not 100% sure, but they could have. Right now I'm looking for like anything that's like screwed on. It doesn't look like there's anything screwed on, so I think we're gonna just pull this off. So yeah, I got this pretty much this little screwdriver that you would use for like, I don't know, playing like with model cars. Oh, right in the eye. Ow. I flicked it right off at my face. I don't really recommend you doing that.
Can you slow-mo that part?
No.
You do it.
So, I stuck that right on my face. Now, I'm gonna try and get the other stuff off. Wow. This plastic is like really tough. I just got some more tools. I'm just gonna use the back end of this hammer as like a pry bar, so that we can get most of the, I got everything falling over, falling off of it now. Jeez. I mean, this is probably the most, I don't know, probably the most humane way you can take it off without doing like some serious damage to some of the clips. So I'm just trying to get the clips off because clips are pretty hard in there. So I got this pipe that are pretty much, I'm just gonna stick it in there and then hopefully like, it takes it off of its mounting point. Wow. Frig. it went right through the thing. There we go. So I got it off. A little bit more, got it off. There's a little bit of like a casualty, I guess you could say. I cracked this. This got like a little damaged. But if you look up there, we got we gained access to, I guess, what you would say that we needed access to. Wow. Anyways, so now this is the main part that holds the wiper blade on. So what we gotta do is we gotta take off this connector, this precision screwdriver I got. I'm just trying to get this out. There. So we got it off. I'm just gonna take this and put it back up just in case somebody wants a rear wiper. But I don't think anybody's gonna want a rear wiper. And then just by visually looking at this, it's gonna be 3 10mm bolts that I'm gonna take off. So I got my 10mm here. As you can see right on the socket, it says 10mm. So we got the 3 bolts off. I'm just gonna put them right there for the time being. And as you can see, this is pretty loose. So I think we got to take this little cap off here that holds the wiper arm on. Maybe not. Yeah, that's another 10mm bolt as well. So we're gonna take that off. This is the 10mm bolt that I lied, and it's not a 10mm bolt. It's a 12mm. So now that we have the 12mm there, we're going to simply take this off. Wow, that was on there like nothing. So that's off. And then there's these like rubber, I don't know what you want to call them, whatever you want to call them, like grommets or plugs or whatever. Now, it looks like there's a big bolt there. I'm gonna get my adjustable. So I got my pliers. I'm gonna clamp them on right here like this. This is to hold the motor. Now, ow. Ow. Pinch my hand. Now when you're working around glass, make sure that you don't hit the tools on the glass, because this could break at any minute. And when I bought this piece on Amazon, there was actually reviews of people that oh frig. Okay. There's actually reviews of people that have broke their glass. Wow. Okay. So all that came off. So I'm just gonna put the tools away off to the side, and it's just a rubber bung, I guess you want to call it, rubber bung. Just gonna push it through the glass. There. And then you wipe this up with your thumb, just so it has like a clean mating surface to ow, pinch my hand. It has a good clean mating surface to put the kit in. So I'm gonna open up the kit. It's a basic kit. Maybe there's more ones that might be as basic, maybe not as basic. Like I said, it comes with a set screw. Comes with 2 gaskets. Not sure what they're for yet. That, and that. And now, the main, oh yeah, also guys, this kit I think was like $12 Canadian. So yeah, I'm just assuming, by looking at it, you just put that there. I mean, like I said, there's no directions, and there's no online things that tell you how to do this. I think these are the same. Yeah, they're the same. So this is the bottom piece. This is the top because K-Moon wants to advertise their stuff. Okay, we're frig the gasket for now. You put this on, you put this on. This is just a little locking screw. I'm just doing it by hand right now. Yeah, these O-rings are junk. They give you a spare O-ring. That's what they do. So now I got that seated, the O-ring seated. I'm putting that on. I'm putting a glass on. I'm gonna hold it like that, and then I'm gonna put the top piece on.
Do you want me to hold it?
No, it's okay. And then you wanna take your chin, put it on like this. It just spins. Oh yeah. So the other gasket goes on top here. I just found that out. Just like that. I mean, yeah, just like that. And then I want the K-Moon positioned like that, and that's how you want it to look. But now we gotta put the we gotta tighten it with the Allen key. So I got this multi-Allen key thing. I'm just gonna figure out what the right hole is. It's a 7/64 size. So now I think you just tighten it like this, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me just keep turning it. Yeah, that's not the right size because it was sliding. So I don't expect much for 12 bucks. Wow, guys, this kit is fucking junk. It's a 10mm nut. I'm gonna get my 10mm nut on there. $10mm nut. I'm doing it on a screwdriver because if you use a ratchet, there's a good chance we can break the glass. That's the one thing that we don't want. Well, who wants to break their glass? Nobody. And like, I can feel the torque right now. I can feel the torque. That's it, guys. That's as good as, we don't want to slam the trunk on our tools. But yeah, so that's that. Looks pretty good. You can see that it's not moving. If you look at it like this and see, you can see how flush it is. I don't know if you guys can see how flush it is or not, but honestly, I know from looking at it, it's not gonna leak. Because if I gave that a couple more tightens, I'd break my glass. I don't need to break the glass. But what I do need to do is put this back together, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this back on, and we'll take a look at the finished product. But it seems like it's in pretty bad shape. Well, it is in bad shape, but we gotta put this back, because if we don't, everyone will be like, oh, you didn't do a full job. Oh man. There. Yeah, you just want to pretty much just hammer it all on so that any clips that you, ow, oh, break, ow, cut myself because I was doing that hammer fist. Do you guys see that? I cut myself there, cut myself here, but it's because I guess I did like the hammer fist on the part you don't need to do hammer fist on, so whatever. The only reason why I'm honestly putting this back, I'm not putting that back on. Frig that, it's just a cover. The only reason I'm putting it back on is because, well, I'll show you guys right now. If you look here, along here, you can see the silver, and you can see the silver along here. And I don't want that. I want it to look like this, like all black. So that's why I'm putting it back. Now, if I had like tinted windows, I probably wouldn't put this back because it doesn't matter. But for this application, we gotta put it back. Yeah. That side's in. And now we're putting on this side. Okay, that's all on. I'm just kind of doing like a semi-driving test to try and replicate if there's gonna be any noise. Seems okay to me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna shut it now and show you. The black looks a lot better. See the black trim? It actually looks a lot better. Well, this one doesn't look a lot better because the cable got pinched. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that. What do you think? It's fixed. So we don't have that disgusting wiper there. I'll do like a before and after. This is before. Like that. And now after. That. And it was only $12. And some broken plastic, a cut pinky, and the kit was really shitty, but it'll hold. Heavy rain, it won't leak. If I took my pressure washer out, I'm not gonna do that right now, it wouldn't leak. So I'm just gonna fix this. I hope you guys like this. If you want to see another mod to do the RSX or something else, let me know. If you want to do this on your own car and you're having some trouble, I'll help you out. Comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next time. Peace!